We had one question earlier with regards to the comparison of the size. So Kyle had asked, what are the footprint, acreage, or square footage considerations between the three cases, between the turbine or turbine, the medium speed, and the high speed? And then the follow-up question when that one is, what are the OpEx considerations? And I know you covered that. So maybe if you could just maybe talk about the square footage,
Yeah.
that would be a good start.
Yeah. So Kyle, thanks for the question. Appreciate it. And as you can appreciate, different technologies, different size of turbines will definitely have different space requirements. And being not a technical expert on the turbines, I would recommend we have a conversation where we take that offline and chat with some of the turbine experts on the call. One of the things that you have to consider when you're building out a large turbine power plant is we're also talking about high pressure natural gas to supply that. So we're going to have large easements for the high pressure lines coming in and safety systems for that equally built. But I don't have a specific comparison. But what I do have later on in this presentation is some examples of what some of the larger power plants can look like in terms of size with recips. So while we're definitely going to have more density on the turbines, you're going to need much larger area around the engine, around the drivers, around the turbines for safety systems and for general fuel conditioning. On the medium speed engine side, again, there's some great individuals on this call that can speak to those. Definitely going to be less units. They're more power dense, but the buildings are going to need to be a lot bigger and a lot taller to facilitate those very large engines.